I just had my 75th birthday, and I've been skiing since I was 20. And the last time that I went skiing, the pain ratio out of 10 was a 9, and it was very upsetting to me because the rest of me is feeling good, but my knees were shot. So I looked into having a knee replacement, and I was going to actually have 2. And then a dear friend of mine said, "You know, that's extreme." I said, "Yeah, but my knees are extremely painful." So I came out and met Sean, and I liked him immediately, and I felt good. Then he said, "You know, man, I believe in what we do. We have a patented process, and if it doesn't work, you can still get a knee replacement. In fact, it'll be easier to get the knee replacement if that's what happens, because the area of your knees will be so much healthier." So we did both knees, and it was really, we were laughing. It was wonderful. He's showing me everything. I saw everything work. And then I was amazed how quickly I got off the crutches, and I asked him, "What do I do?" He said, "Listen to your body. If you feel like doing something, do it. And you really can't screw this up," which really made me feel good. My greatest joy was that in January, I went up to Aspen and skied 2 days, and I was thrilled because I'm back. And I'm a big fan of this procedure. I'm a big fan of the company, and Sean is amazing. All in all, this is one of the best decisions I've made. And I do recommend it to people. When they talk about getting a surgery, I say, you know what? I was where you were. I suggest you check it out.